Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to use the one-hand mode on your iPhone 17 Pro Max. So actually, if you do have Pro or just simple 17, it's useless, I think, this one-hand mode. But for the Pro Max, that it's big, even for my hand, I do recommend to use the one-hand mode. At first, go to Settings, scroll down to the General, and scroll down to Keyboard over here. Here you should see one-handed keyboard. Tap that, set it for either left or right. I'll set it for right because I use my right hand. Now, to enable just one-hand mode for our iPhone, scroll here near the bottom, of your iPhone, to bottom, like downwards, not to enter messages, like here. Now we are in the one-hand mode. We can enter some applications so they can see that even our keyboard works with that. Notes, new note. As you can see now, we can do something like that. And as you can see, it's here. For my identical for my hand, as you can see. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.